In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide recipients in Outlook. If you need to email a group without revealing everyone's addresses, this is exactly what the BCC field is for. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and anyone placed there will receive your message, but their addresses won't be visible to other recipients. Let's walk through it clearly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook, then look for the official Outlook site from Microsoft and click it to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, do that as you normally would so you land on your inbox. Once you're in your mailbox, begin a new message by selecting New Mail. This opens the Compose window where you'll see the to and subject fields, along with the message body area. To hide recipients, you'll need to reveal the BCC line. Click BCC to display that extra address field. In some layouts, you might see a CC BCC option. Clicking it does the same thing and shows the BCC line beneath to and CC. Now, in the BCC field, start typing the address of the person you want to hide. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type. Choose the correct one, or press Enter to add the full address. You can add multiple hidden recipients here. Just separate each address as you go. Remember, people in BCC won't see each other, and the people in TO, or CC, won't see anyone in BCC either. That's the core of keeping your recipients private. Also, when someone in BCC replies, their response goes to you, not to the entire group, which helps prevent reply all chains. Move down to the message itself and write a clear subject line followed by the body of your email. Keep it concise and professional, and make sure the content matches the audience